Okay, yeah, sorry guys.
Great. Turn this round, otherwise the computer's going to fall out. That's it. Turn it round again. That's it. We need to go on the back.
So we're on the Commodore now. Whoa. Look at that. That there's actually, what is it called again? That beach?
Some Brellards and Wayne.
This is St. Bernard's beach over there.
And there's Portalet.
There's Portalet Beach. I'll show you that as we get over. So as you go along, and if I zoom in a bit more, that's Portalet.
Ladies and gentlemen, this evening, and also customs regulations were to advise all passengers that the duty-free shops will be closing in approximately 15 minutes' time. However, this facility will be open on our departure from Jersey. Thank you.
I wonder if there'll be another ferry in Jersey.
Probably not.
Look there though, look there. I look down there from putting with my leg. There's foam. Someone's car alarm's going off.
Sorry?
Someone's car alarm's going off in the car deck.
Is it?
Listen. You'd be happy with quiet, listen. Oh, stop now. There's a lighthouse of some kind. I've been on this boat all day. I'm literally not joking now. This isn't a joke. We've actually been on the boat all day for sun setting and yeah. The time is 7:34 p.m.
Harbour, we've been on the boat for 11 hours.
We've been on the boat for 11 hours, just like my nan said. 11 hours, a whole day. Anyways, sorry guys.
Can you walk? No. Can't keep on up and down, in and out.
I just want to go out and then
that way to the car.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I record from that side or from
There's
that?
nothing that side, just to see.
I want to go out on the balcony.
There's nothing out there, just to see.
There's not on that balcony. We'll move it out. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'll start recording when we're back on the balcony. So thank you guys for seeing that video.